Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with essentials. Position the Nugget ice maker on a flat surface and give it 2 to 3 inches of breathing room so airflow isn't restricted. Next, pour filtered water to the max reservoir mark. This protects taste and the machine's water pump. Once done, plug the unit in and power it on. You should see indicator lights or a ready message. You'll move straight into settings and cycle initiation, so keep the manual nearby for model-specific button names. You now choose Nugget Ice mode, and if available, pick a size, smaller for drinks, larger for blending. Press the Start or Cycle button to begin production. The initial batch typically takes 10 to 20 minutes because the system cools down and forms crystals. Make sure water is flowing to the evaporator and that the compressor hums steadily. Intermittent clanks or grinding indicate something's wrong. Once the cycle runs smoothly, you'll notice consistent nugget formation and even cooling across the trays. When ice is ready, open the lid and scoop into a sanitized container. Use a clean scoop, not your hands. Once a week, wipe the hopper. Monthly, run a manufacturer-approved sanitation rinse to prevent scale and bacteria buildup. If output drops or the ice tastes off, make sure the water supply, filter, and condenser fins aren't clogged. Also verify the temperature and that vents aren't blocked. If problems persist, power down before inspecting components.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.